Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use macOS Monterey Setup Assistant to set up your Mac and start to use your new operating system. As soon as macOS installation is complete, your Mac might restart and you will be presented with the Setup Assistant screens, allowing you to set up your Mac. The Setup Assistant might look different depending on your Mac model. Before starting, make sure that your computer is not connected to other devices, just your Mac and the mouse. Let's start with the first screen. Select your country or region. If you can't see your country's name, scroll down and select your country. Then click Continue. On the second screen, you will see languages commonly used in your region. In my case, it's English and Japanese. If you want to change your language, click Customize Setting, then click Continue. The third screen is Accessibility. Accessibility features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can do this later in the system preferences. To simplify the process, just click Not Now. Next, you will need to select your network. In my case, I use a Wi-Fi network, so I choose my Wi-Fi name and enter my password. Or you can select your wired network and enter your network password. After connecting to the internet, you will see the data and privacy screen. If you want to get more information, click Learn More. Otherwise, click Continue. The following screen is Migration Assistant. If you have information on another Mac or a Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. I prefer not to do it now, so I click Not Now. The next step is to sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud, the Apple Store, and other Apple services. Enter your email here and the password you use for your Apple ID in this box. If you don't want to do it now, click Setup Later, then click Continue. The next screen is Terms and Conditions, displayed in your language. After reading it, make sure the box on the left is checked and click Agree. The following step is to sign in with your Apple ID. A message with a verification code will be sent to your other devices, such as your iPhone or iPad. Enter the code and click Continue. The following prompt is to create a computer account. If you are the one who is going to use this computer, then enter your full name or just your first name. You can also use your first name for your account name. After that, enter your password and enter it again to verify it. Don't forget your account password. You need it whenever you log in to your computer. If you want to change your account picture, click on it and select another one. If you want your Apple ID to reset this password, make sure to check this box. Click Continue. Now, the Setup Assistant is setting up your account. When it's finished, click Continue. The following prompt is make this your new Mac. If you are happy with your settings, click Continue. If you want to change a part of this setting, click Customize Settings. I am pleased with my settings, so I click Continue. You might also see a couple of prompts where you need to select light mode or dark mode and whether or not you want to enable Siri. Choose your option and click Continue. If you want to encrypt the contents of your disk for extra security, check Turn on File Vault Disk Encryption. Turning this feature on will slow down your system, especially if you have older machine. I recommend that you read more about the file vault and then decide whether to turn it on or not. You can turn it on by going to your system preferences. First, click on the security and the privacy icon. Then open File Vault tab, enter your password, and click Turn on File Vault. I don't use this feature, so I click Continue. If the Setup Assistant is stuck, you may see the spinning color wheel. In that case, turn off the computer by holding down the power button until the screen goes black or shuts down. Then restart by pressing the power button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.